J. Joe and PHANTACI's Nike Air Max 95 reimagined Sergio Lozano's classic with bold creativity, blending music, heritage, and modern design. Teased on social media before its release, the sneaker highlights a Sanddrift, brown, black, dark driftwood palette with wood grain-inspired panels that darken near the tongue. Its flywire-like lace system replaces the original loops, symbolizing Cho's connection to string instruments, while ornamental accents, PHANTACI branding, and a guitar pick charm celebrate individuality. Though the retail pair dropped the early J.Q. tongue text, the design still shines through its premium execution. Balancing luxury tones of white, black, and gold with nature-inspired textures, the shoe honors 30 years of Air Max 95 while imprinting Cho's musical identity and PHANTACI's unique influence. Ultimately, it reshapes a timeless silhouette into a meaningful collaboration that bridges artistry, fashion, and cultural storytelling.